pyramids of Egypt are one of the great wonders of the world. There are three great pyramids. There's Khufu, Khafre, and Menkaure, and they are alongside the Nile River. Thousands of years ago, the ancient Egyptians harnessed the power of the Nile River, allowing their civilization to flourish. Pyramids are named after the pharaohs who built them. Khufu, the Great Pyramid, and Khafre are the two largest of the three pyramids. You can make the pyramids with kinetic sand as well. I made a pyramid mold with triangular pieces of cardboard taped together. I just wrapped the pyramid mold around the ball of kinetic sand and then let the sand fall away. I straighten out the base with a plastic straight edge. To make the other two pyramids, we just follow the same process. We roll a ball with kinetic sand, we press it into the cardboard mold, and then we straighten out the edges. We can make the Nile River by just dropping some blue kinetic sand down next to the pyramids. The Nile River is very lush and full of living things, so we'll put some green alongside the river. Find out more about ancient Egypt with books from your library like Where Are the Great Pyramids by Dorothy and Thomas Hubler. You Wouldn't Want to Be a Pyramid Builder by Jacqueline Morley tells about life as a builder of the pyramids. Ken Jennings' Junior Genius Guides Ancient Egypt is for kids who want to get more in-depth history. You can find beautifully illustrated nonfiction books for kids like Ancient Egypt, Historic Civilizations. The Mummy Makers of Egypt by Tamara Bauer goes into the details of the mummification process in ancient Egypt.